Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel. Today I'm working on a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 automatic all-wheel drive, and we are going to showing you how to replace the cabin air filter. Alright, this vehicle only has 25,000 miles, I believe. It's not very many, but I took a road trip and went through that a lot of smoke from the fires on the northeast part of the states, so they want to replace that cabin filter, so we're gonna bring you along. But before I continue, if you haven't done it or you're new to this channel, please like the video, comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload a new video. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate it. I hope you find value in this video. Please leave your comments down below or questions, and I will do my very best to get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna just come here on the passenger side, and this is should be pretty straightforward. So here is the glove box, so we're gonna open it, and we are going to remove things here. Okay, right here. Next, in this area, this is the part that it makes kind of the dampener to make it nice and smooth. It doesn't open. As you can see, I just pull. Now this, you see, then we're gonna press in one, and we're gonna press in twice, and this thing, as you can see, it comes out. Just be careful. Cabin filter should be right here. All right, so you can see those little tabs, 1, 2, and there's a word there's there, up. So we're gonna press this ones. Yeah, I'm gonna press, squeeze it, and pull it. And let's find out how bad this really is. Huh, interesting. This have the word up. Okay. Maybe it does go up. Let's see how bad it is. That's not terrible. Cool. All right then. All right. So we got this cabin filter. Sure, I set the camera. Maybe you need 2 hands to do this. Stay. It says airflow there. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. I am going to turn the ignition on, so I want to make sure with this airflow, I believe it should go under. I'm not sure yet. Maybe this one it works different. Just to double check. Let's find out. I put the key away. Sorry. Well, as I suspected, I don't know if the filter was on the wrong position, because you can see the paper pulls down as it should. So that means the air is going to come from the outside, obviously, and going through the filter, getting clean, and going through the vents. So therefore, airflow has to be pointing down, because that's the air goes through. It's going to go here. So that's how we do it. Okay. Sorry for taking a little bit extra time, but I just want to make sure both of the same size. Air flows down. Ta-da! Now this part is gonna go like this. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter on the Subaru. Now we're gonna make sure that goes back and latches there, both sides. It's nice in place. Now we're just going to slide, pull this back, close this. That's what it's supposed to, and that is pretty much about it, guys. If you stayed this far in the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you find value here, so you can save money and get your job done right the first time. That's the idea of our channel. Try to help you save money and troubleshoot and diagnose your own vehicle correct the first time. Again, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video.